Today we are going to learn about line plots. It's kind of like a bar graph that we've already learned about, okay? A line plot uses marks above a number line to show data values. So instead of using instead of using bars like we would for a bar graph, we're going to use like X's or check marks to show our numbers, okay? So for example, we're going to use this table. The table shows the weights of 15 bald eagles. Use the table to complete the line plot. So we have all of our data right here, all of our numbers that we're going to use for our line plot right here. Okay, step one, very important. A lot of you didn't do this for your bar graphs. It's very important. You need to write a title on this top line for your line plot. So just use what they have right here, bald eagle weights. Okay. That way you don't have to come up with anything, and they've already done that part for you. You just need to rewrite it for your title. Okay? Step 2, we're going to look at the numbers in the table, and we're going to add those down here. So we already have 2. 2 must be our smallest number in here. And we already have 7, so 7 must be our biggest number in here. Now we just need to fill in the blanks from 2 to 7. Okay? So I know I have a 3, so we know 3 needs to be on here. We have a 4, so 4 needs to be on here. And notice I'm going in order. 2, 3, 4. Then we have 5. Then we have 6. So we go in number order. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't put these in random order. We have to put them in number order as we are counting. Okay, so now we need to go and look at how many 2's we have. How many 2's do we have in this? We have 0, so I'm not going to put nothing right there. Let's go to 3. We have 1, 2, 3 3's. So I'm going to put 3 X's to show that I have 3 eagles that weigh that amount. Now, 4, how many 4's do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put 6 X's. Okay, 6 X's. You can barely see this one because of my G, but 6 X's on 4. Then 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for 6, we have 1, 2. And now we've used all our numbers. So that means we have none on 2 and none on 7. And that is okay. We just put X's for the numbers that we do have. Okay? And that's it. That's all you do. Make sure you have a title. Make sure you write your numbers on the scale. Okay? Then also, next, you have to write your X's. Okay? To represent these numbers up here. All right, let's do one more together. Use the table to complete the line plot. So we need to have our title right here, which I'm going to use this one. Okay, flower heights. So how tall is the flower? That's what this is measuring. Then I need to do my number line. Okay, so if we have 6, I'm going to go down to 5 and just count up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now we need to look and see how many 5's we have in here. We have no 5's, so we're not going to do anything right there. Now let's do 6's. 1, 6. So I'm going to put 1X. Now 7's, I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 8's, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I mark them out as I go so that I don't get confused and think that I haven't counted that number. 9, 1, 2 9's. And then we have 3 10's left over. 1, 2, 3. And we have no 11's right here, so we're done. That is all you do, okay? Put X's to represent the numbers in your table, and make sure you put your numbers in order, okay, counting from least to biggest in order. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.